Hi guys, this is Hashmua and in today's video I would be teaching you how to make a simple bun. If you are bored of your daily look, then you can try this one, and this is very easy and you can self-made this bun. These are the items I would be needing in today's tutorial. These are the accessories pens that I am going to use: bobby pins, U-pins, tail comb, paddle brush, rubber bands, donut and separation clips. Other than this, my darling dummy on which I would be showing you the hairstyle. Now that I have detangled her hairs, I will take a center line of the hair. After that, I will take ear to ear section so that I can equally take out the front hairs and can work upon the hairs that are left behind. These hairs I would be using for styling, and the back hairs I would be using for making the base. Now that I have separated the front hairs from the back hairs, now I will be taking these back hairs and going to form a ponytail. After making this ponytail, we would be inserting this ponytail in this donut. After placing the donut on pony, you have to evenly spread the hairs so as to form a bun shape, and then secure the hairs with a rubber band. Now that you have formed a bun and secured the hairs with a rubber band, now take two sections, combine the hairs and rotate it around the bun. That's how you have to coil the sections, the two sections I was talking about, and try to make it neat and tidy as much as possible. As I have told in my previous video, this bun should be as much tight. If you apply force, it doesn't move at all. And now we would be working on the front hairs. Working from the center, we would be taking a thin section and then we would be coiling it like this by rotating all the hairs in one direction. After that, we would be placing it behind, above the bun, and securing it with U-pin. Again a thin section, and we would be working the same way, and we would be covering the entire front hairs to set a design on the back. Created this design in half of the hairs. Now I would be moving towards the second half portion of the front hairs and doing the same with those hairs by taking equal and thin sections and making the coils and securing them at the back with U-pins. Now that I have completed tying all the hairs, I would be showing you from ear to ear. This is the desired design which we are going to form. That's how this design is looking from behind. Now we would be working on the leftover hairs. We would be taking equal parts again of these hairs and going to form the pleats and then rotate it around the bun to complete this designing. That's how we are going to use these hairs, the leftover hairs, and then after making this design, we would be rotating it on the sides of the bun to make a design. That's how this bun looks on completion. And as an add-on, we are going to place the accessories on this bun to make it look more attractive. So after putting the accessories, we have completed this look. I hope you enjoyed this look today. This is a simple bun that anybody can make by themselves at home. So guys, this ends with our today's session on simple bun. So if you enjoyed my video tutorials, you can like, share and subscribe. If you are new here, you can like, subscribe for latest notifications on my channel. And in case you find this video helpful for any other person, you can share the link